The mechanism is seized up. It won't close.
In a junkyard full of forgotten things, Rummage knows that value isn't always obvious. He's learned that nothing is dump-worthy until someone stops to ask what it could become. So when he spotted an old umbrella, fully deployed, he didn't hesitate one bit.
It won't close.
Rummage, it's so hot today. I'm really thirsty. And that thing looks completely broken.
The mechanism is seized up. It won't close. I'm not giving up on it yet.
Oh, just toss it. Why bother with something that won't even cooperate?
Sometimes the best shelter is the one that stays open.
Shade.
Who knew something broken could turn out so perfect?
Stay tuned for the next video. Don't go away, keep seated, and whatever you do, sit down.